I had water damage from upstairs that came downstairs. I also had to have all my flooring taken down and taken apart, and they took the ceiling down, part of the wall. I also had to have the bathroom totally gutted out due to the water damage, and my daughter's bedroom. The floor was wet, so they had to remove the carpeting. My son recommended him highly because he also did his bathrooms. He had 2 bathrooms that Joey redid for him. He was very happy with them. The installers were very nice, very polite. They cleaned up after themselves, and they were good. I definitely felt that my needs were met. I'm totally enjoying it. Yes, definitely. It was time.